like uh, like a bottle. So like a drinking water bottle. So it's a general object category is what? It's a bottle. So when we see a object in our task, so we need to clarify that we need to identify that uh, which object category of this object. Okay. So first one is unknown. So if a object is not able to identify that its uh, its category is what, then we goes with unknown category. Okay. Then we select this objects category as unknown. Like this plastics piece that is not identify that not able to identify that which material, which type of object that. Okay. So we can make it, we can take it as unknown. Next is bottle. It's quite simple. Plastic bottles like that, and also glass bottles, and these types of shampoo, powder bottles, and beverage bottles, wine bottles, and this face wash bottles that goes under this bottle category. And tray. Next one is tray. So in hotels, we see that there are several types of trays like look like that, uh, by which they're serving their foods. So these types of trays goes under tray category, and their caps are goes under tray lead category. Okay, that looks like that. That there are two examples given, and next one is can. So aluminum and steel cans, like Pepsi, Coca-Cola cans, and milk powder cans. These types of cans are goes under can category. So next one is film. Film is like plastic wrappers and bubble wrappers like that. These plastics which is used to cover something or packaging some products. These types of plastics and these carry bags, plastic carry bags, that all are goes under film category. And bubble wrap is what? So that is bubble wrap. Okay. So while we are something we ordered to an e-commerce platform, we see that uh, if it is a sensitive product, uh, then they covered by this bubble wrap. Okay. So these types of plastics are uh, bubble wraps, known as bubble wraps. And that all are goes under film category. Okay. Next one is aerosol. Any types of spray cans like deodorant, air freshener, insect sprays, like this Kara Heat, uh, and body sprays, uh, any kind of sprays, uh, they goes under this aerosol category. Next one is Tetra Pak. So juice and milk packages which are made by this paper. They these types of boxes that packages are goes under Tetra Pak category. There are some examples given. Derivations like we say that you all see all of that. Okay. If cartoon, it's very simple. If cartoons are false as if cartoon. Okay. Next one is box. That types of boxes, these cardboard boxes and any product boxes that all are goes under this box category. Next is toothpaste. It's very simple in our daily basis. Like we use that. Uh, Toothpaste, all types of toothpaste are goes under this toothpaste category. What's in our home, uh, like bowl and dishes, kitchen pots, cosmetic pots, that goes under all pots category. And wrapper is what which plastics covered to the covered by kurkures, chips, and biscuit packagings, detergent packagings. This all of plastic packages are goes under wrapper category. Okay. Any kind of confusion you have?
No, no confusion.
Okay. So let's continue. Okay. So next one is food delivery container lead. So next one is food delivery container lead. It's a cap of a food delivery container. It looks like it can be circular and can be rectangular shape or square shape. Okay. Lid means cap of a pop up something. Cap of delivery container lid. Okay. And next one is jerry can. They like which store engine oils, edible oils. That all types of jets that goes under jerry can. Okay. So next one is food delivery container. So in hotels, while we are seeing that sometimes foods are delivered by these types of containers, like these circular containers and rectangle shaped containers, also these square containers. Uh, then all containers are goes under food delivery containers, which uses to delivery food. Okay, reusable containers like uh, that is a tiffin box container lid. Uh, It's a cap of a tiffin box. So which kind of caps are looks like a tiffin box cap? They goes under this reusable container lid, and that one is the tiffin box, which are reusable containers. Uh, we uh, we take it as reusable containers. Okay. Spoons, it's quite simple. Spoons like wooden spoons, steel spoons, and these plastic spoons. You know, daily basis life is uses that. These spoons are goes under this spoon category. Next one is straw. We use this to drinking juices. Uh, so that straws are goes under this straw category. Next one is cup. Cups like this dahi cups and beverage cups, ice cream cups, and these types of cups and also tea cups. They are goes under this cup category. Okay. Also, glass cups is also take under cup category. Okay. Next one is general tubes, PVC pipes, and rigid plastic tubes like this paper tubes. Uh, that types of medical malams uh, all goes under general tube category. Next one is jars, like pickle jars, jam jars, honey jars, and peanut butter jars, protein powder jars. They can be made by glass or plastic or steels. Uh, that types of jars are uh, looks like that. They all goes under this jar category. Okay, this is the tea jar. Kisan jam jars. Like that types of all of jars are goes and known as a jar. Okay. Okay, medical waste, which products are used in medical after uses, they known as the medical waste. So these types of products are medical waste. If you see in your task these types of objects, so take it as a medical waste. And next one is dish. So dish is what like paper makes plastics and thermocol makes plastics. Sorry, paper makes plates and thermocol makes plates. They looks like a plate. So these types of plates and also in our home-based daily life, we see that pots like uh, which are uh, which are quite big from a bowl. So that goes under this category. Okay. Okay, toys. So toys is what children are play with these types of toys. So these toys that goes under toys category. Next one is medical waste category. So sorry, medical no sorry industrial waste category. So context construction debris like plastic, metal, composite waste, and manufacturing scraps like defective plastic, metal, and textile pieces that all goes under this industrial waste category. So like these types of plastics and this types of pieces that should be given here, uh, that's a medical waste. Sorry, it's the industrial waste. Okay, these types of plastics looks like that. If we look a similar type of object in your task, you can make them as a industrial waste. Next is cigarette butts. It's quite simple. Use cigarette filters and ash remains and tobacco waste and also cigarette boxes that all are rose as cigarette butts. Next one is flexible pipes, which cause pipes are flexible, like rubber pipes and PVC makes flexible pipes. They look like that. Uh, that all flexible pipes are goes under this flexible pipe category. Rigid pipes, which cause pipes are hard, made by hard plastics and metals. Uh, this, uh, these pipes are looks like that they used to supply waters. So these types of metal and plastic pipes are goes under rigid category. Broken item. When we see an object like it's a broken part of something, so we can take it as a broken item. Next one is brush. So brush is quite simple, like our teeth brushes, hair combs, and hair brushes. Also these makeup brushes and bathroom brushes. That all brushes are goes under this brush category. Hangers, so which uses for hanging clothes. So these types of hangers are goes under hanger category. RO filters. So use reserve for osmosis filters and plastic casing of water filters like that. So this one is the auto filter. Okay. So this auto filter category. So cats. So cats like bottle cats and like any syrup cats.
इनका 210
Uh,
हुआ है 210 210 और ये इसका एक्स्ट्रा नहीं नहीं
Abhishek is unmute yourself. So next is caps. So bottle caps and lid of jar bottle caps looks like that. Also syrup caps. That type of caps that goes under this cap category. Blister packs. So medical medicine tablet packages that all are goes under blister package. Okay. Okay. So next one is foil. So aluminum sheets and food wrappers like that. These types of aluminum sheets are used to serve foods and delivered also delivered by this food. It's used as a delivery container. Also, these types of aluminum delivery containers are also goes under this foil category. Also, if you see any kind of these types of aluminum sheets like that, uh, so these types of aluminum sheets, so that all are goes under this foil category. Next is paint bucket. It's quite simple, like paint containers. Which can be made by metal and also made by plastics. So these types of buckets are goes under this paint bucket category. And buckets like any kind of big types, uh, if, if, uh, if big size containers, if you see tasks like these types of containers, but it is not a not a assume that uh, it's not a color paint bucket that can be goes under bucket category. Okay, density it's not needed to check. No need to check this density. Okay, next one is flexible and rigid. So flexible is what like plastics uh, and foils like soft textiles is if you see in your task like plastics are what they are soft, they can be flexible. So these types of flexible things that goes under this flexible, and those types of objects are uh, like rigid files. They are hard, like bottles. Their material is hard. So hard types of plastics, hard metals, uh, that types of that all are goes under this rigid category. So till now only wrappers and uh, aluminum foils and films are goes under uh, only flex, they are only flexible, and otherwise all other objects are rigid. Okay. Next is material. So if you see objects, we need to classify that which that object is made by which material. So if you understand that, if you assume that this object is made by this metal, then choose the right material of this object. Otherwise, if we unable to understand that which materials of this object is made by, so we take these materials as unknown. So first material is PET, uh, that is this drinking water bottles and beverage bottles. Also this and this Coca-Cola street bottles, wine bottles. That all are goes under this PET bottle categories. Their material is PET, polyethylene tetrafluoride. Okay. Next, the material is HDB, high density polyethylene. So milk, juice bottles, and shampoo, detergents, oil containers. They look like that. Their outside plastics are uh, something. Their their plastics are 1 minute. Okay, let's continue. So HDP, the high density polyethylene, milk, juice bottles, and shampoo bottles, detergent bottles. Their plastics. Uh, their outside plastic pores are uh, thicker than thicker than uh, mm, thicker than carry bag plastics. So these types of thicker plastic makes uh, tubes, polygrade paste, and also these jerry cans. Their outside container plastics are thicker. So these types of thicker plastics that goes under this HDP category, HDP materials. PPC like pipes and credit cards, ID cards, medical waste items like oxygen masks, blister packs, medicine. Their material should be PVC. And LDP like low density polyethylene like this wrappers. So their material they all are made by low density polyethylene. So their material is low LDP. Like these plastic bags, grocery bags, milk, liquid packages, pouches, uh, bubble wraps, uh, and this face wash tubes. Okay, so in this face wash tubes, we see that it's quite flexible and their outside that plastic is lower density than that. Okay, so that's why this face wash is goes under LDP. So there all of types of these objects and material is LDP. Next one is PP polypropylene. So hard plastics like these toys and which types of objects are made by hard plastics? They goes under this PP category. Like reusable food containers, medical bottles, syrup caps, and straws, ice cream tubs. That all are PP. There are several examples given in the picture of the P is polystyrene. So, so ice cream cups, which looks like that. These small cups that all are goes under this. Their material should be PS. Okay, newspaper, it's quite simple. Papers material is a newspaper, and magazine papers are their material is magazine. Okay, so next one is gray one. So gray board is what like these types of boxes and this uh, their outsider is made by gray board. Okay, so these types of boxes are their material should be gray board, and cardboard is what like these types of quite uh, thicker boards like that. These types of boxes that their material should be cardboard, and steels cans like uh, made by steels and nut bolts. That all are if they are made by steels, their material should be steels. And if this can if you assume that this can is made by aluminum, you can take their material as aluminum. Okay, MLP. So if you see in detergents and snack packages, you can see that in the outside is a plastic layer which is used to treat there, and uh, in the inner side they have used another plastic which is covered to the snacks and coconut waters and also chips detergents. You can see that. And textiles like process material is textile and wool. So this one is very uh, mm, waste waste electrical and electronics equipment like circuit boards, chips, and electronics like phones, laptops, remotes, mouse oils. If you see that types of object, you can take their material as wool. So mountain park. So if cartoons and mounted paper trays like apple trays, coffee cup holders. Uh, that all their material should be molded park. This is so the single uses plastics like plastic curtains for spoons, pins. So which spoons are used in chowmings and serving serving fast foods. That all types of foods you can uh, take their uh, take their material as a single use plastic. Okay, glasses like uh, beer, like beer, juice, soda, and pickle jars, so sauce bottles. That if you assume that if you see that this bottle or jar is made by glass, so you can take their material as glass. Okay, HIV, so high impact polystyrene, so like PD casing, remote covers, and refrigerator liners and trays, medical trays. So that their materials will be HIVs. Next is attributes is application. So next attribute is application. So application is what if you see a object, so we need to clarify that that object is used to where. So application is that. So in our application, we need to choose that this object is used that type of applications. Like a cap, cap is used to airtight something, and engine oils like mobiles, lubricants, jerry cans, uh, that types of oils are engine oils. So this they use to engines. Okay, so that types of oils are engine oils. So their application should be engine oil. Edible oils like sunflower, mustard oils, olive oils. Uh, so they all are edible oils. So their application is edible oil. Shampoos and bubble wraps. So bubble wraps are previously I used. I show you that the bubble wrap. If you see a bubble wrap, so use that application as bubble wrap. E-commerce packaging, like e-commerce packages like Amazon, Flipkart packagings are, if you see in your charts, so take their application as e-commerce packaging. Like if you see that a plastic or paper courier bags, which is used to e-commerce packaging, so you can take their application as e-commerce packaging. So in application, you need to select that object is or any item that item is used to where. There are many more things here. Milk packaging, milk. Milk packages. So if you see a milk plastic, uh, so you can take their application as milk packaging and milk products. So uh, which products are made by milk, uh, like uh, like lassi, butter, cheese, and ice creams, that all are made by milk. So you can take their application as milk product packaging. Beverages like Coca-Cola, soft drinks, energy drinks, wine, juice, flavor milks, fruit juice. Uh, their application is a beverage. So drinking water, it's quite simple. Drinking water. If you see any drinking water bottles, water glasses, so you can take their application as drinking water. Next is toilet cleaner like Harpic, Domex, and sponge pouches, which is cleaning to toilet, uses to cleaning toilets. You can take their application as cleaning toilet cleaner. Next one is chemical. So chemicals is what like acids, detergents, other chemicals. If you see a chemical bottle, you can take their application as chemical. Biscuit packaging, like which wrappers or foils are used to like Parle-G, Oreo, bourbon wrappers, like these types of wrappers. So these types of bourbon packages, like Parle-G packages, these types of Parle-G packages. Uh, that is also a biscuit packages. So these types of plastics which is used to packaging biscuits. So you can take their application as a biscuit packaging. Mm. So chips packaging are similar that which plastics are used to packaging chips. You can take their application as chips packaging. Face wash, which face wash, if you see any face wash tube in your cart, you can take their application as face wash. So application is there are many more applications is given. If you see item, so that item is used to that you need to uh, you need to select that application. Okay. Next one is the next attribute is general application category. So that is similar to the application. So you need to identify that item is used to that industry, like shampoos, hair oils, uh, hair dryers. So that all are what they care hair. So they uses to caring hair. So their general application category is hair care. So and also skin care like face washes, uh, face creams, uh, like uh, uh, like uh, like moisturizers, lotions, body lotions. They all are uses to care skins. So their general application should be skin care. Fabric care like detergent pouches, like which are carrying fabrics like clothes, which is uses to uh, which is carrying clothes and uh, washes clothes. Uh, so that types of their general application should be fabric care. Bathroom care like liquid soap, hand wash bottles, body wash, shower gel bottles, soundproof toothpaste tubs. Showcases, that all are what they are carrying bathroom. So they all their applications will be bathroom care, floor cleaner. So phenol bottles and division containers many more. You see that many chemicals are used to cleaning floors. So their general application is what their general application should be floor cleaner. Home care products like uh, cleaning sprays, bottles, mirror cleaning sprays. So they goes under this home care category. Plastic containers also goes home care. Okay. So drinking bottles and juice, soft drinks, coffee mugs, they are all using to drinking something. Okay, so if you see that a product is using to drinking something, you can take the general application as drinking. So basically, what drinking types of products are their application should be drinking. Medical, which items are used in medicals like syrup, blister packs, medicine tablets packages, syringes, injection syringes. They all are medical uses to medical. Okay, so their general application is medical. Electrical and electronics items are their application is general application is what their general application is electronic. Kitchen essentials like spoons, jars, glass jars, and some cooking oil bottles. So you can take there as kitchen essentials, which is used to kitchen. Bathroom essentials like toothbrushes, shampoo bottles. So what, Nisha? Hello, Nisha. Are you asking something? Is there any confusion, guys? Hello. Can you please
No, not
respond?
right. No, not right now.
Okay. So next is okay. So single-use types of products like which plastics are used to single-use like spoons, plastic made spoons, and which types of items are used in a single time. So plastic wrappers, plastic bags, uh, they are uses we can use them in single time. So there you can take the general application as single use. So size we do not need to check size, okay? So you can skip that. Color. Color is what if you see an item or product, so we need to identify that product's color is what. So if you identify that color, then they can mark their color, and if you unable to identify their color, you can mark their color as unapplicable. Try to uh, try to always unmute. Okay, let's guys continue. So if you unable to mark a colors, then uh, try to avoid this unapplicable button. Okay, always mark their colors. Like clear transparency is what? Like a bottle, a clear transparent bottle is like what? We can see their outside. Uh, we can see their insides to another side. Okay, so clear transparent bottles like that. Clear transparent like. So which kind of things are we can see their insides from another side, one side to another side clearly. These colors are marked as a clear transparent. Okay, like this type of bottle. Okay, so these types of bottles that all are clear transparent. We can see their another side to on another side. So this color is clear transparent. Also, white transparent. If you see something like this, white transparent like that. So that is what it's a quite something related that it's something looks like white and transparent. Okay, not fully clear transparent. Like this one is a clear transparent, but this one is a white transparent. Okay. Also, if you see like that blue transparent, green transparent, that colors is transparent, but there are color outer space like green or blue. You can mark their color as a blue transparent, brown transparent. And if you see that uh, a color which is transparent, but that is not listed here, blue, green, brown, and red only listed here. You can take their this transparent color as color transparent. And opaque color. Opaque color means what? Like which colors are fill colors? Like a bottle which is fully filled with green. So we could not see another side to this product from another side. So that is a fill color. So like white opaque, blue opaque, uh, green opaque. So if you see these types of color in a product, mark their color. Uh, if you see that if you see that that color is not listed here, of this opaque color is not listed here, like pink is not listed here. So you can take the color as color opaque. Okay, like orange is not listed here. So you can take that object color is orange. So take that color is colored opaque. Next one is grade. So grade is what like a product which is food grade or non-food grade. Like a food container is used to serving foods. So that is used in foods. Okay, like also plastic wrappers like chips wrappers, chips packagings and biscuit packagings. That all are what they are uh, uses to cover foods. So which products is used in foods? They are food grade, and which products is not used in non-food types like chemicals and cleaning products like Harpic. They are all are chemicals, so they are not eatable products. So these types of products are non-food grade. Okay. Also, body lotions. They're not uses in they're not food. Okay. So if a product is food, then mark their grade as food grade, and if it is not a edible product, you mark their grade as non-food grade. Next one is feature. Uh, so feature is what? So yeah, item if you see that, so mark their shape. So mark the shape as flat. If it's a flat like paper, like uh, like cardboard, like a small piece of paper. So they are flat. Single layer plastics, they are also flat. Deep is what like containers. So that is the container. So that types of containers like also this one is basically this circular type containers. Uh, in the if you see from your from their on us their upper side, it's a deep. Okay, so from inside they're deep. So that is a deep product like this one. Okay. Next is square. If a product shape is a square, mark their feature as square. If this is circular, like uh, look as per view, this one is looks like circular. Okay, so this shape is circular, but as per view, this one is cylinder because this in from this side it's looks like a cylinder. Okay, so we need to shape give the shape as per view. Irregular if a object shape is irregular, mark the object shape as irregular. Rectangle, this is a like this one. Uh, that means my skin is visible.
Yes, yes, visible.
Okay. So that shape is trapezoidal. Okay. Like this face wash tubes and malams, medical malams like that. So these types of shape that known as trapezoidal and damage. So you need to identify that that product is broken or not. If it is, if you see any kind of uh, brokerage here, so you need to mark that product as broken, and if you see any not see any kind of damage, then mark as undamaged, like and this one. Okay. So this one is a broken item. Okay, so that one is a we can mark that if you if you see a product is like that, but it's not damaged, we could not see any kind of so damage as undamaged. Okay, you can mark this object as broken. Okay. Okay, next one is the item value. No need to check that one. You can skip that one. Okay. Next is purity. So purity is what uh, like uh, like a bottle or any kind of things. We see that like a company based items, they clarify their item instructions, also their logos in their products outside, like like this ice cream. Okay, ice cream cup. So in that on the outside, the product instructions and also product details are printed. So that one is printed. That purity should be printed. So these types, if you looks the product similar like that, you can take that purity as uh, printed. Next is label. Label is what like a product or a company. They're branding their products in a uh, in a plastic papers stamp like this bottle. Like this Kingfisher bottle or Royal Stack or any this distillery drinking bottles. Okay. Also Coca-Cola bottles. They branding their products by this piece of plastic which is covered this bottle. So if you see like that type of paper is covered looks like that, you can mark their purity as labeled. Next one is slave. So sleeve is what the item is wrapped with a sleeve or a wrapper around the packaging. So the sleeve could be made of paper, plastic, or another material. Often or for branding or protective purpose. So, like this one, this compote bottle. Okay. So in this bottle outside, uh, it's covered by a plastic wrapper, which like attach. If you see a gum tape like attached with a object, so like that, you can mark their purity as gum tape attached. Like any kind of sticker you see, you can mark their label, sorry, purity as sticker. Like this one, mm, like this one. Okay, so this sticker is give their product information. So that one is like if you see didn't see any kind of all of above that, not see any kind of that, you can mark this purity as clean. Like like this glass, there is nothing is or any kind of printed or sleeved or any kind of labeled is not here. So you can mark that purity as clean. Okay. Okay, so next one is touch. So if you touch a product, uh, if it is sense like smooth, you can mark them as touch as smooth, and if it is touches is rough like that one. I will say tray. So this tray. If you touch this tray or these types of trays, your hand is sense like something is rough. So you feel like rough. So you mark these objects touch as rough. Okay, process. Process is what most of non-built products are come in our task. But build is what compost waste like these types of compost plastic bottles like that like that in in compost plastic bottles like that. If you see a bottle like that that is compost totally, you can mark this process as build. But most of products that comes under in our task is that is a build product. So no need to check that one is a build. Now one wants just mark process only build, non-build. Okay, always process mark as non-build. Okay, there are some examples is given. Okay, so moving to a live project hour. So that is our live project example. So this one. So this one is a heartbeat bottle. This one is heartbeat bottle. So that is a bottle. So from here, you choose the general object category. What is that? That is the bottle or tray or can, film or aerosol. Which kind of product is mark the general object. Then drop down this one. Click on here. Detail. So next another attributes are open. Okay. Density is no need to check that one. Material. So uh, need to uh, need to check that which materials is made by this made this product. So Harpic bottles are basically made with HDPE, and next is application. So this Harpic bottles are used is where to cleaning toilet. So we mark the application as clean toilet cleaner. Next is the general application. So this is the bathroom essential product. So we take that one, that bathroom essential. Size is skipped, no need to check that one. And the color. So mark the color, okay. So that is what. So if I off the annotation, I clearly say that this object's color is blue. So so in the tool, uh, if you see if you want to open this option, you need to go to this object which you want to changes that one. Just right click that one, and this option is opened. That opens like that. After that, you need to drop down that one. Okay. So next is color. Color is blue opaque. So that one is the opaque color, blue opaque, and so that is not a edible product. So we need to give their grade as non-food grade. Okay. Next is rigid and flexible. So this bottle is made with a hard plastic, not its flexible. So its general material is rigid, and it's looks like a cylinder. So it's a cylinder shape, and this bottle is not damaged any kind. We could not see any kind of broken hair. So we mark the damage as undamaged. Item value is no need to check that one. You can skip that one. So there is a sticker on the upper surface on the bottle. That is a sticker on the upper surface that is not clearly visible right now, but we know that basically a Harpic bottle has a sticker on their upper side. So we mark the purity as sticker. Next is touch. Harpic bottle touches feels like smooth, so that's why we mark that touch as smooth. And next is process. That is a non-bend process. That is not a compost plastic, so so their process is non-bend. So cap material. Cap material is what if you see a product, if there has a cap like that, this one is has a cap. So this is red one. And last one is so if a drinking water bottle or beverage bottles comes your task, you can mark the ring material as plastic or metal. If it is made by plastic, then mark the material as plastic. If it is made by metal, then mark as metal. Otherwise, this like these types of products and these types of products, you can mark their ring material uh, as none. Okay, as none. And last one is occluded. So occluded is what? Like this product is visible how so occluded means this product is not visible how many percentage. We need to give the percentage how many percentage is not this product is not visible. So like this one is cut 50% like from this frame. So we can assume that that product is cut from this frame is 50%. Like, uh, okay, okay, that is first frame, so we could not identify that on that. So assume that this product, okay. So that is cut from this frame is 20%. So that product is not 20% is not visible from this frame. So we can mark the mark that product is not is occluded is 20% because 20% is not visible in this frame. Okay, so this cut from this frame, so that the 20% of this product is not visible. So we mark the is occluded part is 20%. Okay. So do one thing for processing fast. You can do one thing. Changes selected or object. Okay. Select all attributes from here. After that, what you do? A object is mostly comes 7 to 8 frames. Okay, same product. So if I move to the forward frame uh, by typing F or typing here, okay, go to the next page. Go to back is by pressing D, and go to forward is by pressing F. Uh, you can manually go 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 ahead with this button, and also this button is for use to back. So if you see that this product is comes to the from from for 4020 frame to 4020 4. So you can copy that one. You can copy that one. Okay. So assume that I copy that one clicking on this by clicking on the product with mouse left click, and then Control C. Copy that one. Go to the next frame, and like that it's a what that that job ID is already work is done. But if you see another like job which is not work, it's not properly given. Okay, that attributes are not properly given. So we need to what do you do? Delete the annotation, and after that Control V and paste this annotation and properly give to that one. Okay, by this uh, you can speedily do this thing. Okay, no need to change every frame that classes. It's taking times. Okay, so till now any confusion here, guys?
No, no.
So any confusion here? Okay, Nilesh?
Sir, actually, I'm having doubt regarding the area part. You were trying to match the frame and you were trying to say that it is only visible 20%. I'm having doubt in that.
Okay, so occluded part. I'm right.
Sorry?
So you need to clarify with the occluded part, right?
Right, right.
Yes. So occluded part is nothing. The product is visible fully or not. If it is not visible 20%, like if a product this product is on this product. So basically what so then if assume that this product is upper side of this product. So basically is that this is the upper side of this product. So that product is the height percentage by these products. Okay, so we need to give the percentage which assume that at a, appro- a approximate percentage is given by you, that that product is not visible 20%, or not visible 50%, not properly visible to 85%. Okay, if it is properly shown that like that, it's visible properly 100%. So that's why we uh, occluded part is not. Okay, but if we say like this frame, that product is cut 20% from this frame. Okay, so uh, that is 20% of this product is not visible properly. So you can made what? You can make what? So you can choose that occluded percentage is 20%. Is it clear?
Yes, it is clear. Okay, so we have to select the visible target as per the frame, right?
Yes, yes. As per the frame, also if it's hide by something or another product.
Like if frame is forwarded and the bottom will be the cut down, so I have to select as it is visible or not.
Yes, yes. How many percentage is not visible?
Okay, okay, got it. Thank you.
Okay. Also, thank you. There is not any kind of example here. Okay, if any kind of example is I see, I will give you after later. Okay. Till now, just knows that we need to is occluded part is given the percentage, how many percentage is not visible the product or cut from the from a frame. Okay. So any confusion till now? Tools related or any
No, sir.
guideline related?
Hello.
Yes.
Do we need to save every time or it is auto save?
You can mark this autosave is on. Okay. Because if it is not on autosave, then there was the issue that it's possible that data is not safe. Okay.
Okay.
Because previously we are facing that problem. That's why we are suggested you that always on autosave. Okay. Any kind of any confusion here? Any guideline related or any tool related?
Can we get a copy of a guideline?
Sure, your team will share with you. Okay. So Subhajit is here. Hello, Subhajit. Dheeraj.
Yes, Iris.
So so we complete the training. So when did they join?
ओके ओके सो गाइस किसी को कोई डाउट है क्या? अभी किसी को कुछ डाउट है, कोई कंफ्यूजन है, कुछ समझ में नहीं आया है, कोई भी क्वेश्चन है तो आप लोग पूछ लीजिए.
Bro, talk in English, bro.
सॉरी.
Talk in English.
No, there are many candidates those who are not comfortable in English, so that's the reason I'm asking in Hindi. You're comfortable if you understood the entire training, that's okay. And जिन लोगों को इंग्लिश में कुछ समझ में नहीं आया हो, कहीं कुछ कंफ्यूजन हो, कोई डाउट हो, जो चीजें रह गई हो, तो आप वो अभी हिंदी में भी क्लैरिफाई कर सकते हैं उनके साथ पूछ के.
देखो अगर किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है या फिर कोई कंफ्यूजन है तो पूछ लो, ठीक है? नहीं तो तुम्हें बाद में जाके प्रॉब्लम होगा।
यस सर। सर ये जो आपने टूल पे जो लाइव वर्किंग वाला दिखाया था सर, तो वो थोड़ा सा रिपीट कर सकते हैं? एक्चुअली वॉइस में आपका ब्रेक हो रहा था, थोड़ा क्लियर नहीं हो पाया।
ओह अच्छा, ठीक है। ठीक है, देखो देखो आगे अ, हमें क्या है, ये सब प्रोडक्ट्स आएंगे तो हमें इन प्रोडक्ट्स को ये एनोटेशन किया हुआ रहेगा पहले से, बस इनको क्लासिफाई क्लासिफाई इन एट्रीब्यूट्स को सिलेक्ट करना है। यहाँ से हमें जनरल ऑब्जेक्ट को कैटेगरी को सिलेक्ट करना है, ठीक है? जैसे कि ये बॉटल है तो ये बॉटल सिलेक्ट किया हुआ है। पर उसके बाद डिटेल्स के यहाँ पर क्लिक करोगे एरो में, तो इसके नीचे वाले सब जो अलग और अदर्स जो एट्रीब्यूट्स है वो खुल जाएंगे। तो फर्स्ट में डेंसिटी होगा, डेंसिटी को हमें चेक नहीं करना है, मटेरियल को देखना है, ठीक है? तो मटेरियल में क्या है कि हमें चूज करना है कि ये वाला बॉटल कौन से मटेरियल से बना हुआ है। सो दैट बॉटल इज मेड बाय एचडीपी, सो मार्क द मटेरियल एज एचडीपी। ओके, So that bottle is used to cleaning toilet, right? So mark the application as toilet cleaner. So application is what that product is used where. Next is general application. So it's a bathroom essential product, right? It's essential for a bathroom essential. So that's why we choose their general application as a bathroom essential. Next is size. So size we do not check that one. You can skip that one. Size. Okay. So next one is color. We need to check the color. So that object color is what you can uh, if you're not clearly visible, that product is not identifiable. So you can off the annotation by T and H, both up pressing both in one time, and off the annotation and see that the right color one. Okay, okay, let's sorry for
अच्छा
that.
तो इस अच्छा तो इसमें सिर्फ हम लोग कैटेगराइज करना है, राइट? मतलब लेबल करना है सिर्फ, मैंने पहले से ओरिएंटेड रहेगा ये सब ऑब्जेक्ट्स।
देखो एनोटेशन पहले से करा किया हुआ रहेगा, तुम लोगों को बस मतलब क्लासिफिकेशन ही करना है।
अच्छा, मैंने लेबलिंग हो गया मतलब।
हाँ,
ठीक।
सिर्फ उसको सिलेक्ट करना है बस। ओके।
अच्छा
बेंचमार्क क्या है इस प्रोजेक्ट का?
सेलेक्ट करने से
I
चेंजेस
can
तो हो
give
जाएंगे ना?
you I can
ये
give you
तो
the overview of this process. देखो इसमें सिंपल है,
कार्ड टैगिंग
इसमें
है।
कुछ भी नहीं है। इमेज में आपको 10 12 15 ऑब्जेक्ट रहेंगे हर इमेज में। एक एक जो ऑब्जेक्ट है उस पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्ट का ऑलरेडी से ज्योमेट्री किया हुआ है, मतलब लेबलिंग किया हुआ है, और उसके ऊपर आप जब क्लिक करेंगे तो उसके अलग अलग एट्रीब्यूट्स हैं, जैसे डेंसिटी हो गया, मटेरियल हो गया, वो सारी चीजें हैं, वो भी ऑलरेडी किया हुआ है उसमें। अब हमको क्या करना है, एक एक ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर क्लिक करना है। उस ऑब्जेक्ट का सबसे पहले जो ज्योमेट्री है, जो बाउंड्रीज है, लेबलिंग है, उसको सही करना है। वो सही तरीके से नहीं हुई है तो पहला काम। दूसरा, जब आप वो सही कर दोगे तो उसके ऊपर आप क्लिक करो। क्लिक करने के बाद में उसमें 8 से 10 पैरामीटर्स रहेंगे। इसमें डेंसिटी हो गया, मटेरियल हो गया, स्पेसिफिकेशन हो गया, इस तरीके से आपको वो चेक करना है गाइडलाइंस के हिसाब से, और उस गाइडलाइंस के अकॉर्डिंगली ही आपको उसको सेलेक्ट करना है। दैट्स इट। ये आपका एक प्रोजेक्ट, एक ऑब्जेक्ट हो जाता है। जैसे एक फ्रेम में एक ऑब्जेक्ट है, एक फ्रेम में सेम ऐसे के ऐसे ही 4 ऑब्जेक्ट भी हो सकते हैं, और आगे जब आप आगे के फ्रेम करेंगे तो उसमें भी यही सेम ऑब्जेक्ट हो सकता है। तो जब आप एक में उसको कंप्लीट एक्यूरेट कर लोगे और पूरा कर लोगे सही तरीके से, वही की वही आप कॉपी करके पेस्ट कर सकते हैं बाकी की फ्रेम्स में भी। फिर आपको बाकी की फ्रेम्स में वापस से मेहनत नहीं करनी है, ज्योमेट्री वापस से फिक्स नहीं करनी है, वापस से एट्रीब्यूट्स फिल नहीं करने हैं आपको। सिंपल फर्स्ट फ्रेम पे आपने जो किया है वही ऑब्जेक्ट आपको एज इट इज कॉपी करना है, और वो बाकी के जितने भी फ्रेम्स में जितनी भी बार वो ऑब्जेक्ट आया हुआ है सब जगह आपको सिंपल कॉपी पेस्ट कर देना है। So this is what the entire process is. बस ये है पूरा प्रोसेस।
जी सर, अब समझ आ गया सर। यस
जी हरीश, आप कंटिन्यू कर लीजिए। सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट।
हाँ ठीक है। और कोई कंफ्यूजन है तुम लोगों को, मतलब फिर थोड़ा
कॉपी कैसे करना है मतलब दूसरे
हेलो।
फ्रेम में?
सर हेलो,
थोड़ा थोड़ा रुको, एक मिनट।
सर एक बार कैन का और बता दीजिए।
Okay, hello. So how to copy paste? Okay. So mhm. Select that object which you want to copy. Just left click on this one and select that one. And after that, Control C for copy and go to the next frame. Okay, frame is changed. So, so what do? Just click on that object by the left click and press delete. So delete that annotation and also then copy Control V. So that is pasted and properly see that that is properly covered that one or not. After that, just click on that. Okay. So that is copy and paste. Okay. So you can copy paste a product from another frame to another frame several times like that. Like if you see that uh, this object is start from this frame. Okay. So where it is clearly visible, you can changes all the necessary attributes which is properly which is right for that product. So change there, and after that copy that one. Okay. So copy that one. After that, from where it started, just copy and paste from here to the end for when it's not seen. Like it start, it's not visible from this 40 frame 40, and last.
एरिस हिंदी में बता दीजिएगा, दे आर मोर कंफर्टेबल.
हाँ हाँ, देखो अगर तुम्हें जो है ना, ये देखो ये 27 वाले फ्रेम फ्रेम से ही दिख रहा है. ओके. तो जिस वाले फ्रेम से ये क्लियरली दिख रहा है उस फ्रेम में तुम एक काम करो, जो क्लासिफिकेशन है, जो एट्रीब्यूट्स है, उनको सिलेक्ट कर लो सही से. ठीक है. तो उसके बाद क्या करना है, इसको कॉपी कर लेना. और अदरवाइज उसके बाद वाले जो फ्रेम्स है उन्हें तुम जस्ट पेस्ट करते जाओ, तो क्या होगा, तुम्हारा टाइम सेव होगा. नहीं तो हर एक फ्रेम में अगर तुम ऐसे एट्रीब्यूट्स को सिलेक्ट करके चेंज करते रहोगे ना, तो टाइम ज्यादा लगेगा. तो उससे अच्छा है कि तुम कॉपी पेस्ट करते जाओ. अगर थोड़ा एनिमेशन में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है तो क्या होगा, तुम उसको ना ठीक कर लो ऐसे. मतलब इस पॉइंट का अगर सिलेक्ट करोगे, उसके बाद अगर एक पॉइंट अगर ऐसा हुआ है, ठीक है, तो क्या होगा, तुम इसको ना यहाँ पर इस पॉइंट को सिलेक्ट करो, शिफ्ट को प्रेस करो, इसमें शिफ्ट को प्रेस करके इस पॉइंट में सिलेक्ट करो, ऑटोमेटिक ये ले लेगा. इस पॉइंट में आओ, एक ठीक हो गया. ठीक है. और एक और भी हो सकता है, जैसे कि ऐसा हुआ है. ठीक है. तो शिफ्ट एंड राइट क्लिक को, एक मिनट, शिफ्ट को पकड़ो और लेफ्ट क्लिक से ऐसे करके जाओ, जिस जिस पॉइंट तक तुम्हें चाहिए उस पॉइंट में ऐसे मार्क कर दो. ठीक है. तो ओके. सो ये ज्यादातर मतलब एकदम एकदम सही होना ये नहीं है. थोड़ा थोड़ा टाइट फिट रहेगा तो ठीक है. ठीक है. इतना नहीं कि एकदम सही होना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. बस कुछ कुछ सा ठीक रहेगा. ठीक है. प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ज्यादातर जो कॉपी पेस्ट करेगा उस एनोटेशन से हो जाता है. कुछ कुछ फ्रेम्स में, एक दो फ्रेम में प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, तो वो भी मतलब आइडेंटिफाई, हमारे एनोटेशन जो रहते हैं, एनोटेशन एनोटेटर भी रहते हैं, तो वो भी ठीक कर देंगे. ठीक है. तुम लोगों को मतलब एक क्लास के ऊपर मतलब ज्यादा ज्यादा ध्यान देना होगा.
अच्छा, एनोटेशन कॉपी होता है कि एट्रीब्यूट्स कॉपी होता है?
एनोटेशन और एट्रीब्यूट्स दोनों ही कॉपी होते हैं.
अच्छा.
मतलब तुम देखो, अगर इस फ्रेम में तुम इस एनोटेशन को कॉपी कर रहे हो ना, तो इसके साथ जो एट्रीब्यूट्स होते हैं ये भी कॉपी हो जाएंगे. तो ये प्रोडक्ट तुमको एक इस फ्रेम से लाइव देखो, तुम्हें ये प्रोडक्ट जैसे कि यहाँ पर से पूरा विजिबल हो रहा है. 30 नंबर फ्रेम से तुम्हें विजिबल हो रहा है. ठीक है. तो ये अगले अगले 10 फ्रेम तक जाएगा ऐसे. सेम प्रोडक्ट है, तो तुम्हें बार बार एट्रीब्यूट चेंज करने की जरूरत नहीं है ना। वो जितने तक दिख रहा है, जैसे कि ये 39 तक दिख रहा है, तो ये क्या होगा, मैं उसको डिलीट करूंगा। उसके बाद ये लास्ट वाले फ्रेम तक मैं ऐसे करके जाऊंगा, इसको कॉपी पेस्ट कर दूंगा ऐसे। और लास्ट में क्या होगा, मैं उसको जस्ट जिस फ्रेम से नहीं दिख रहा है, बस इस ऑक्लूडेड पार्ट को ही बस मुझे चेंज करना है, तो इसको करने में ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगा ना मुझे। हो गया। 10 फ्रेम तक मुझे, मतलब 10 फ्रेम तक करने में ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगा। अगर 10 फ्रेम में, हर एक फ्रेम में अगर एट्रीब्यूट्स को चेंज करते रहे तो टाइम ज्यादा लगेगा। उससे अच्छा है कि एक फ्रेम में तुम एट्रीब्यूट्स को चेंज कर लो, जो सही है उसको मार्क कर लो, उसके बाद उसको कॉपी करके हर एक फ्रेम में मतलब कॉपी पेस्ट करते जाओ, जिस फ्रेम तक वो ऑब्जेक्ट दिख रहा है। अच्छा,
ओके
क्लियर
ओके।
है?
हाँ।
देखो, इस प्रोसेस से तुम जल्दी कर सकते हो काम को।
हम्म।
सर,
हाँ बोलो।
जो आप अभी बोल रहे हो कि फ्रेम में जैसे वो 10 टाइम्स या 10 टाइम्स तक अगर ऑब्जेक्ट वो दिख रहा है, जब तक फ्रेम से वो आउट नहीं होगा तब तक हमको उसके एट्रीब्यूट कॉपी पेस्ट करना है।
हाँ, तब तक
कि
आप
वन
कॉपी
टाइम,
पेस्ट कर सकते हो।
मतलब 1 टाइम किया तो वो टास्क होता है ना, तो उसके बाद में अगर 10 टाइम तक वो फ्रेम में आ रहा है तो 10 टाइम हम उसका एट्रीब्यूट कॉपी करके पेस्ट करेंगे तो वो टास्क काउंट होगा कि नहीं होगा, मेरा वो पूछ रहा हूँ।
हाँ वो है। देखो, एक ऑब्जेक्ट, मतलब देखो देखो अगर ये ऑब्जेक्ट है, इसको अगर 10 फ्रेम में आ रहा है तो 10 ऑब्जेक्ट काउंट होगा तुम्हारा। ओके, ऐसा नहीं कि तुम
What is
एक
the
एक
payment
फ्रेम
process,
को,
bro?
क्या?
Payment process.
दैट वाज ये मेरे साथ मतलब नहीं है। तुम
English,
अपने,
English.
जिससे तुमको, देखो वो जो तुम्हें जिसने यहाँ पर ज्वाइन करवाया उसके साथ मतलब पूछो।
English, bro. English.
क्या?
ये सभी जॉब रिलेबल रहेंगे क्या?
क्या?
ये सभी जॉब है ना, रिलेबल रहेंगे क्या? मतलब ऑलरेडी लेबल्स रहेंगे, सिर्फ हमको एट्रीब्यूट और करेक्शन करना है, एडिटिंग।
हाँ, देखो यहाँ पर सब लेबल्स रहेंगे, बस आपको एट्रीब्यूट्स को सिलेक्ट करके वो कॉपी पेस्ट करोगे तो जल्दी होगा। वरना अगर हर एक फ्रेम में अगर ऐसे करके सिलेक्ट करते जाओगे ना, तो मतलब देरी होगा। यही बोल रहे हैं।
ओके।
मतलब टाइम ज्यादा लगेगा। अगर कॉपी पेस्ट करोगे तो जल्दी जल्दी होगा ये। हर एक फ्रेम में ऐसे तुमको रॉ टास्क मिलेंगे, रॉ टास्क में भी मतलब ऐसे एनोटेशन किया हुआ रहेगा। बस तुम लोगों को ये एट्रीब्यूट्स को ही सिलेक्ट करना है।
ठीक है।
देखो, मैं तुमको एक रॉ टास्क दिखाता हूँ। ओके, देखो जैसे कि ये वाले, एक, हाँ ये देखो, एक रॉ टास्क है, ठीक है। देखो, ये रॉ टास्क है, यहाँ पर एनोटेशन सब ऐसे ही किया रहेगा। बस तुमको क्या करना है, एट्रीब्यूट्स को सिलेक्ट करना है ऐसे। इसके ऊपर राइट क्लिक करोगे तो ये बॉक्स खुल जाएगा। यहाँ पर से तुम्हें जनरल ऑब्जेक्ट कैटेगरी को सिलेक्ट करना है, उसके बाद वाले इस पे ड्रॉप डाउन करोगे तो बाकी एट्रीब्यूट्स खुल जाएंगे। जैसे मैंने बोला, उसको मटेरियल मटेरियल पहले चेक करना है, उसके बाद उसको एप्लीकेशन, जनरल एप्लीकेशन देना है। साइज को तुम स्किप करोगे, साइज नहीं देखना है। उसके बाद इसका कलर देना है, कलर कैसा दिख रहा है। अगर फूड ग्रेड है, फूड वाला प्रोडक्ट है तो फूड ग्रेड में, अगर फूड वाला प्रोडक्ट नहीं है, अगर कोई केमिकल्स है जैसे कि हार्पिक है ये वाला, तो ये नॉन फूड ग्रेड में जाएगा। नेक्स्ट है रिजिड फ्लेक्सिबल, जो फ्लेक्सिबल चीजें होते हैं लाइक कैरी बैग्स, प्लास्टिक बैग्स, प्लास्टिक रैप, प्लास्टिक पैकेजेस लाइक चिप्स पैकेजेस, बिस्किट पैकेजेस, ये सब फ्लेक्सिबल होते हैं तो फ्लेक्सिबल में जाएगा। जो हार्ड प्रोडक्ट है लाइक दिस बॉटल्स, रिजिड पाइप्स जो होते हैं, हार्ड प्लास्टिक्स के जो बनते हैं, जो मेटल्स के बनते हैं, वो सब हार्ड होते हैं ना, तो वो रिजिड में जाएगा। अच्छा, नेक्स्ट फीचर मतलब इसका शेप कैसा है, तो इसका शेप ना कुछ सिलेंडर टाइप का दिखता है, तो सिलेंडर होगा। अगर रेक्टेंगल टाइप का दिख रहा है, जैसे कि ये वाला तो रेक्टेंगल शेप का दिख रहा है थोड़ा, ठीक है, तो ये रेक्टेंगल में जाएगा। अभी के लिए मतलब जानकर रखो कि हार्पिक का जो बॉटल से ये इस टाइप का जो बॉटल से ये वाला सिलेंडर में जाएगा, पर अदरवाइज जो थोड़ा रेक्टेंगल टाइप का दिख रहा है, जैसे कि ये वाला शेप, तो इसको तुम शेप में रेक्टेंगल दे सकते हो। ओके। और ड्रिंकिंग वाटर बॉटल्स का उसका सिलेंडर ही होता है। अच्छा, उसके बाद ब्रोकन का जो है, मतलब अगर ये चीज फटा हुआ है या फिर कहीं से मतलब टूटा हुआ है, टूटा हुआ दिख रहा है, तो तुम उसको ब्रोकन कर सकते हो। तो ये कहीं से फटा हुआ या फिर टूटा हुआ नहीं दिख रहा है, तो इसको अनडैमेज ही रखेंगे हम। ठीक है। ठीक है, अनडैमेज किया। उसके बाद आइटम वैल्यू को तुमको नहीं देखना है, उसको कर सकते हो। प्योरिटी, प्योरिटी में जो है, इसके ऊपर देखो एक स्टिकर हुआ था। ठीक है, यहाँ पर एक ऊपर से एक स्टिकर है यहाँ पर। तो प्योरिटी में क्या करेंगे, हम इसको स्टिकर में देंगे। उसके बाद क्या होगा, स्मूथ होगा। तो इसको अगर तुम टच करोगे ना, तुमको एक स्मूथ जैसा फील आएगा। ये रफ नहीं होता है इसका, जो वो अपर अपर सरफेस है। तो इसको तुम स्मूथ कर सकते हो। नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस, प्रोसेस यहाँ पर हमेशा नॉन बेल्ट रखना, क्योंकि बेल्ट वाले प्रोडक्ट नहीं आ रहे हैं हमारे टास्क में। ज्यादातर सब नॉन नॉन बेल्ट ही आ रहे हैं। बेल्ट वाला प्रोडक्ट अभी तक नहीं दिखा है। ठीक है, तो हमेशा प्रोसेस को नॉन बेल्ट ही करना। अगर कोई बेल्ट वाला प्रोडक्ट आएगा तो हम तुमको बता देंगे, तब कर लेना। अच्छा, कैप मटेरियल, अगर कैप रहता है, जैसे कि इसके ऊपर एक कैप है, जैसे कि इसका जो ढक्कन है, ठीक है, शायद इसका ढक्कन है, जो होता है इसका, जो रिट टाइप का जो ढक्कन है ना, तो है ना। अगर इस बॉटल में पूछते तो यहाँ पर ये ढक्कन नहीं है। तो तब क्या होता, तब वो कैप मटेरियल, इसके केस में क्या होता, वो कैप मटेरियल तब अनएप्लीकेबल हो जाता। ठीक है, तो इसमें कैप है, तो कैप है तो उसका मटेरियल हमें मतलब देना पड़ेगा। तो कैप मटेरियल प्लास्टिक का बना है, तो प्लास्टिक का होगा। अगर मेटल का कैप होता तो मेटल देते। और रिंग मटेरियल जो होता है वो बस ड्रिंकिंग वाटर बॉटल्स और बेवरेज बॉटल्स में ही होते हैं। रिंग मटेरियल को मेंशन करना पड़ता है, अदरवाइज हर केस में तुम ना ही करना। ओके। और इस ऑब्जेक्ट पाथ को तुमको बोला, मतलब जितना परसेंट तुम्हें नहीं दिख रहा है ऑब्जेक्ट का जितना पार्ट तुम्हें नहीं दिख रहा है, उसका एक परसेंटेज देना है। लाइक इस वाला ऑब्जेक्ट है, ये 85% कट गया है इस फ्रेम से। तो तुम इसको ना 85% कर सकते हो यहाँ पर, ऑक्लूडेड पार्ट को। ठीक है। जो अभी मशीन ट्रेन हो रहा है, ज्यादातर मतलब एट्रीब्यूट सही होके ही आ रहा है। एट्रीब्यूट बोलो या फिर मटेरियल बोलो, ज्यादातर सही होके ही आ रहा है। बस आपको एप्लीकेशन, जनरल एप्लीकेशन, कलर्स, इसमें थोड़ा ज्यादा फोकस करना है। ज्यादातर मतलब हमने पहले वाले जो टास्क किए थे ना, वो मतलब एकदम रॉ टास्क थे। वो सब मटेरियल्स, उनका जो धीरज जानता है, अ, उनके जो मतलब ये जो एनोटेशन होते आते हैं थे ना, वो ज्यादातर ऐसे अननोन होके ही आते थे। पर अब जो है, ज्यादातर देखो बॉटल के केस में बॉटल होके ही आया है। देखो ये सब बॉटल से तो बॉटल मार्क होके ही आया है। एक दो केस में मतलब प्रॉब्लम हुआ है, जैसे कि इस वाले को, इसको ट्रे कर दिया, बट ये बॉटल है। ठीक है, ज्यादातर अभी सही आ रहा है। मेटेरियल बोलो, ये ज्यादातर देखो, इसमें इसमें एचडीपी मटेरियल है, तो एचडीपी से आया है। ठीक है, तुम लोगों को क्या करना है, एक फ्रेम में सब एडजस्टमेंट कर लो, और उसके बाद वाले जो फ्रेम्स में दिख रहा है ऑब्जेक्ट, उसको कॉपी पेस्ट करो, जल्दी जल्दी काम होगा। अगर हर एक फ्रेम में कॉपी एडजस्टमेंट करने जाओगे तो ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा। ओके, समझ में आया?
यस सर।
ओके धीरज, तो तुम इस साइट को देख लो, मेरा एक और मीटिंग भी है। ठीक है।
ओके, ऑलराइट गाइस, और किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन तो नहीं है?